Good morning class. Now today we are going to start with the explanation of ninth chapter, that is pronoun in English language. Chapter 9, pronoun. Pronoun are those words which are used in place of nouns. That is, noun is the name of person, place, animal or thing. So the word which is used for name, for removing the name from the sentence or thing, place, are the words that are pronouns. Now, pronouns are the words which are used in place of nouns. Pronouns are those which are used in place of noun. I hope you all know what are pronouns. I, me, he, she, they, these all are pronouns. For example, Ankush is a hard-working boy. Ankush always stands first in class. As we are writing Ankush 2 times here, it is not looking so good. To join these two sentences or to add, we have to remove one Ankush from here. Ankush is the name of a boy. So, in place of Ankush, we will use he. It can be written as Ankush is a hard-working boy. He always stands first in the class. Ankush, removing Ankush, that is the name of a noun, and noun is the name of a person. So this is the name of a person. We have removed Ankush and right over here, and we have used pronoun over here, that is he. Seema and Suhani are at our place nowadays. Seema and Suhani have their vacation in their school. Seema and Suhani are the name of girls instead of girl. Which pronoun we use? We use the pronoun she there. So it can be written as Seema and Suhani at our place nowadays, as they are two names. So we have used here they. They have vacations in their school. Okay. Now, let me tell you, there are 4 types of pronouns. First one is personal. Second one is demonstrative, distributive and possessive. Here we are being described about 4 types of pronouns. First one, personal, demonstrative, distributive and possessive. Personal pronoun. The pronouns that are used to represent specific individual or things are called personal pronoun. That is, a specific person, a specific thing that is being represented. It is the personal pronoun. These pronouns stand for 3 persons. The person speaking, the person spoken to, and the person spoken about. About which we are speaking, about which we have spoken, and about the person, that is person speaking, that will be I, me, our, us, me, etc. The person spoken to, that is you, your, etc. And the person spoken about, he, she, they, his, her, their, it, etc. They are also called first person, second person and the third person. First person will be person speaking. The person spoken to will be second person, and the person spoken about will be the third person. When it comes to mention all the 3 persons in the same sentence, the order is third, second and the first person. I am not a good speaker. Person is speaking. You are always late to work. Person who is spoken to, because we have used you over here. They play in the evening here. Person spoken about. It is a comfortable chair. It is a non-living thing, as chair is a non-living thing. She, you and I will go to watch the movie. Look at the personal pronoun chart. Now let us go through the chart of it. Person, number, subject, object. First person, singular, plural. I, we, me, us. In plural we use we or us. Singular we use I and me. Second person, singular, you. Plural will be you only. Third person, singular, he, she, it. He, instead of he we use him. She we use her. It we use it only. Plural will be they and them. I hope this personal pronoun is now clear to all of you. Let us move to the second type of pronoun, that is the demonstrative pronoun. These are the pronouns which are used to point out specific people or things. We use to point out specific people or things, that is the demonstrative. This, that, these, those are common demonstrative now. I hope you all can see the picture of a bag here. We can point out this bag as this is a bag. Okay. Now we are pointing out this bag, so this will be the demonstrative now. Demonstrative out this, that, these, those. This is my school bag. That is our old house. These are imported fruits. Those were the books we read last year. Distributive pronoun. These are the pronouns. Distributive pronouns are either, neither, none, each. These are all distributive pronouns. These are the pronouns which refer to one person or thing at a time. It may be referred to as one person or about a thing at a time only. Each, neither, none, etc. are distributive pronoun. Either and neither can be used in case of two person or things, whereas each and none are used in case of more than one or two things or people. Either and neither can be used in place of one, that is the singular, and each and none can be used in place of plural. Now let us go through the examples of it. None of them has helped me. Each of the cars was fast. Either of the workers is efficient. Neither of the hill station was there. Now, none of them means no one there helped me out. Each and every car. Either and neither. None and each are used in case of plural one, and neither and either are used in case of singular noun. Now let us move to the fourth type of pronoun, that is possessive pronoun. These pronouns are used in place of ownership to which it belongs to, or which it belongs to a person, place or thing. These are the pronouns which show the ownership or belongingness of a person or thing. These pronouns cover possessive adjectives also, that is mine, yours, hers, theirs, etc. are possessive pronoun. Mine, something belonging to me. Yours, something belonging to you. Hers, theirs, etc. are possessive pronoun. My, your, his, their are possessive adjectives. Now let us go to the examples of it. She has brought these bangles. These are hers. These bangles are of hers. This book is mine. This is my book. When will you return my camera? When will you return my camera to me? I have no intention to use your pen. We returned their money last week. We have already returned their money last week only. Now, as I hope now this chapter pronoun is clear to all of you. Homework for you all is to go through this chapter pronoun. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.